Hello, I'm Harold Ewing with Easy Breeze Cooling. This is one of our customers, John Bally, here in Boca Raton, and John called me. He needed 3 air conditioners put in his house here in East Boca. So we came over and we took a look at it and confirmed that he was right, that the machines were past their useful life, and we decided to replace all 3 systems. So we put in Rheem brand 16 SEER, and he's very pleased with it. He's noticed the difference in his electric bill and the cooling capacity as well. And I have John here to testify or give us a testimonial that Easy Breeze Cooling is one of the local air conditioning companies here in Boca, and we do a good job, and we'd like for him to verify our work and give us a good recommendation.
Absolutely. Yeah, when we really needed, we knew that we needed a company that we can trust and feel comfortable with, and of course Harold was very professional, and we knew that how he kept it so clean and so well. When he worked on it, he was make sure that nothing would get damage or anything like that. So, but the units are really working great for us, and we made a really big difference.
Right.
And we really recommend this company for anyone who really needs this, because they really made a big difference for us.
So with that being said, you can find me on the internet, easybreezecooling.com. You can also call the number. You can call me directly at my cell phone at 561-287-0583. You can call the office. You'll speak with Mary Jane, and we can schedule an appointment for you. We can come out. We do service. We do new installs, repairs. Give us a call. We're a company that will come out at any time, and we'll diagnose your problems and solve them for you. And we're a good, honest company, and we're looking to earn your business. So give us a call at Easy Breeze Cooling. Thank you. Thank you, John.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Another job well done by Easy Breeze Cooling.
Definitely a great company to know about it.
That's right. Thank you.